What's up guys? If you're planning on towing a trailer with your Chevy Equinox, you'll need to install trailer wiring on your vehicle as it's required by law. Let's go ahead and break down that easy installation for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Chevy did a great job at prepping this vehicle for towing. The tow harness is located right here behind the bumper. We're going to go ahead and plug in the wiring before doing the trailer hitch, as the trailer hitch will block the plug that we need to get access to. Once you locate the harness, which is right up here by the bumper beam, you'll want to pull the red tab out and release the cap. Now we'll go ahead and plug in our trailer wiring. With the wiring plugged in, we're going to go ahead and install the trailer hitch before securing the wiring to our bracket. You can find the link to that video down in the description. With the hitch installed, we're going to go ahead and zip tie this loose slack up behind the bumper so that it's secured. We're going to go ahead and secure our wiring to our bumper using our 4-flat mounting bracket. Be sure to pick one up at your local U-Haul. I'm going to use a 3/8 drill bit to go ahead and make our holes. Next, we'll go ahead and install the hardware. We're going to tighten our nuts with a 10mm socket. Lastly, we'll go ahead and push our wiring through the bracket and install the dust cover. Depending on your model, you may or may not need to insert the 2 relays that come with our wiring kit. We don't need to on this vehicle, but if you do need to, you're going to find the fuse box behind this panel on the driver's side of your trunk area. Alright guys, that wraps up our trailer wiring install. Thanks for watching, we'll catch you guys next time. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.